Hello everyone, this is Negative Dreamer here to bring you another leather working tutorial. Today I will show you how to make a nice clean tongue hole for your belt buckles. It's a pretty straightforward process, so let's get right into it. So first thing we're going to do is go over what tools we need for this project. Number one is a craft 2 poly mallet. They sell a lot of different mallets for this type of thing, but you want one with a good weight. A little heavier the better, and also when you're hitting hard you want one with a flat surface. Sometimes you're going to see mallets like this that are rounded. They're good for certain projects but not for what we're doing today. You'll also need some oblong punches. I'm using the craft tool heavy duty oblong punches. For your smaller belts you probably want to do like a smaller straps, like a wrist strap. You're going to use a smaller one of a 3/4 inch. For your waist belts you're going to use a 1-inch punch, which we're going to use today. And while you're working, you want to make sure you have a good work surface. Obviously, you want a good heavy-duty table or workbench. When you hit your tools, they're going to go through your leather and hit the surface. It's either going to damage your surface or damage your tool. So the way to protect it is, I use the poly cutting board. I made it to tandy leather. They last a really long time, and your tools will hit this and be much, much more durable. Also underneath this, I'm going to be using the deluxe stone slab. This is basically a marble slab sheet. You can get this from like scrap from a cutter, a tile guy, but the ones at Tandy are really nice. They have a nice beveled edge that are really clean, and so you don't got to worry about scraping your leather or scraping your skin as you work. So this process is pretty simple. Just take your belt, place it right on a good spot in your board. Take your punch, decide where you want the hole to be. Now in this belt we're going to have that much of a fold over for our loop and our stitching. So right there is where we want that hole to be for the belt buckle to pop out. So once it's marked, you lay that right here. I see it uncentered. Take my mallet, and there we go. Now to set this here, some people use rivets, some people use stitches, but we're going to do that in a later video. Thank you very much, guys. Bye-bye. If you guys have any questions or would like to see a different tutorial video, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.